should someone join XPX? Power of Three is a program that throughout the year, members from complementary disciplines are paired up with each other in groups of 3, and we get together at a mutually convenient location and talk for an hour and a half. It gives us a chance to get to know each other a lot better than we might in a one-off networking event. It was Exitpalooza. This is a fun event that we hold every year. It's essentially a competition among members that present a deal that they've worked on, and that you get to really get a better sense of the level of expertise among this peer group, and hear a story about how they solved someone's specific problem. I've found, and I think other committee members would agree, that it gives us a chance also to get to know each other, to see how other people work, to develop trust, that if you were inclined to look to a fellow member to solve a problem for one of your clients, or they were so inclined to look to you to solve a problem for one of their clients, you know how that fellow member works and whether you can trust them. And this type of organization allows you to develop that trust.
One thing that I think makes XPX really unique is our vision. And the vision has been for many, many years that every business owner creates a business that has sustainable and transferable value. Anyone who works with business owners knows that that is not always the case. So the content at XPX New England events, it's content that is directed at business owners and their advisors. So they're always events that you can invite a business owner, client, or prospective client to, and they will learn something they need to know about how to grow their business or grow the value of their business, or what their exit options might be. And I think the other thing that makes XPX New England a little different is, frankly, we are a really friendly and open group. I've been to some other organizations' events over the years that are focused on M&A, and I won't name them, but they're not very friendly. People talk to people they already know, and they're very cliquey. XPX New England has always been just the opposite of that, and I really appreciate that about our organization.
I've got to learn to know a lot of trusted advisors. Trusted advisors being people, in my eyes, that are not in it for the short-term gain, they're in it for the long-term relationships. Advisors that put their clients' interests before their own goals, yet taking a big interest in their clients' goals. People that are dependable. People that will do what they say and do it when they say it. And for me, being around XPX New England members and the people that attend these events, that's kind of what I find with these people.
Okay, so if you did get a bingo, then you can put in another business card for the raffle, and you can put in up to 3 if you had 3 bingos, all right? If you were the super networker, again, this is the honor system.
If you didn't put in 1 card,
if you didn't put in 1 card, then put it in, that's the door prize right there.
And the winner is Daniel Lima from Morgan Stanley.